Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to create a social sidebar in a Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to your site and just simply go to the settings over here on the left side down below. And after that, just simply go to the social links over here and make sure this is all visible. So this is all of your social links. And after that, just simply cross it out and go back to the home page. And after that, just simply go for the edit over here. And after that, just simply go to the pages over here on the left side and just simply go to the website tools and go for the custom CSS. And from here, guys, just simply paste the code over here. So guys, I will put this in the description down below. And from here, as you can see, this will be the social links that we will have. And as you can see, if I remove them, the social links will be on the top right over here. And after that, guys, you can just simply play around with these numbers to change the color and the shadow. And from there, just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen. And from there, you should be able to do it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.